So now let's talk about our stratovolcano. So a stratovolcano, remember, is made from intermediate. So because it's made from intermediate, it's going to have both mafic and felsic characteristics. So when we look at a stratovolcano, it's relatively wide, but it's also still pretty tall. Now it's not as tall as the cinder cones, and it's not as wide as the shield volcanoes, so it's somewhere in between. So it's tall like the cinder cone and wide like the shield volcano. So remember, what comes out here is as my lava is building up, right, remember we still need a whole bunch of pressure to push this out, okay, it's going to flow a little bit, and that's what gives it the wide part, but also all that material that's coming out is going to stick to the sides, and that's what gives it the wide part. So remember, our stratovolcano is made from intermediate. Because it's made from intermediate, it has mafic and felsic characteristics.